Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will start from metalloids. Metalloids, also known as semi-metals. Metalloids, also called semi-metals, are elements with properties intermediate between those of the metals and non-metals. So what is the meaning of this portion? Metalloids are basically intermediate position of metals and non-metals. That's why it is also known as semi-metals. Like boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, etc. And tellurium are metalloids. So these examples are very important. So students, you have to learn the example only. Now, properties. Metalloids are hard solids. So as a metal, metalloids also solids. They may or may not have luster. मतलब इसका luster मतलब glaze और sign हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. For example, germanium, antimony and tellurium are lustrous. मतलब इन लोगों का अलग सा कोई sign और glaze है. But in case of silicon and arsenic, they have not any luster. They have densities intermediate between those of metals and non-metals. मतलब metalloids का जो densities है, it is the between position of metals and non-metals. Their abilities to conduct heat are intermediate between those of the metals and non-metals. So they are not a good conductor and they are also not a bad conductor of heat. So they are the intermediate situation between metals and non-metals. Except some arsenic and antimony being good conductor of electricity. So here is the exception are very important. So student, be careful about the exception. Arsenic and antimony, though they are metalloids, they are good conductor of electricity. Metalloids like silicon and germanium are semiconductor. I mean, they are not bad or not good. They are semiconductor. They are intermediate situation of metalloids. Metalloids like silicon and germanium are semiconductors. Their ability to conduct electricity is intermediate between those of metals and non-metals. The semiconducting property of these elements has made them highly useful in the electronics industry. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. As because silicon and germanium are the semiconductor, तो इस प्रॉपर्टी के द्वारा नॉर्मली एलिमेंट हैज मेड देम हाईली यूजफुल. एज बिकॉज सिलिकॉन एंड जर्मेनियम आर सेमीकंडक्टर, तो नॉर्मली सेमीकंडक्टर का बना हुआ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज जो है वो बहुत ही यूजफुल है. दैट्स वाई दिस टाइप ऑफ टू मेटालॉइड्स आर यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंडस्ट्री. द चिप्स यूज्ड इन टीवीज, कंप्यूटर्स, फोन्स एटसेट्रा आर मेड ऑफ सिलिकॉन. इसको अंडरलाइन करना. तो नॉर्मली जो चिप हम लोग मोबाइल फोन या कंप्यूटर में यूज करते हैं, नॉर्मली दिस चिप्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम सिलिकॉन. हियर इज द chart. This chart is very important. First, property, and as because it is a difference between metals and non-metals. First one is state. Metals are solid. Exception mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Same way non-metals, 12 solids, 1 liquid and 11 gases. This equation is very important. So student, learn about it. Next, luster. Metals normally lustrous and non-metals lusterless. मतलब they are dull looking. They have no glaze. Exception graphite and iodine. As because graphite and iodine are non-metals, though they have luster. Density. In case of metals, usually high. Same way, non-metals usually low. Now, tensile strength. In case of metal, that is very high, and in case of non-metals, tensile strength is low. exception in case of metal, sodium and potassium, because they are soft metal, that's why their tensile strength is low. But in case of non-metals, exception is diamond, though it is a non-metal, but the tensile strength of the diamond is mostly सबसे ज्यादा है. Malleability. In case of metals, metal malleable, but non-metals non-malleable. Next, ductility. Basically, metals are ductile and non-metals are non-ductile. Next, sonority. Metals are sonorous, non-metals are not sonorous. Melting and boiling points. Generally high, exception mercury. Though mercury is a metal, its melting and boiling point is low. That's why mercury is liquid at room temperature. And in case of low non-metal, generally low. Exception carbon. Though carbon is a non-metal, but melting and boiling point of carbon is high. Now, conducting of heat. Metals are good conductor, but non-metals are bad conductor. Conduction of electricity. Metals are good conductor of electricity, but in case of non-metals, they are bad conductor of electricity, except graphite. So these properties are very important. So student, you have to learn all these points, especially exception. You will learn about the chemical properties of metalloids in higher classes. Now, alloys. What is alloy? A solid solution, a homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? Whereas the properties are in uniform in nature. मतलब जो पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्सचर हो रहा है वो हम लोग खाली आंख से दिखाए नहीं देख सकते और उसको अलग भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. We have to use some chemical method to separate them. A solid solution, a homogeneous mixture of metal with other metal or non-metal is called alloy. मतलब जब मेटल दूसरा मेटल के साथ मिक्सचर हो रहा है और नॉन मेटल के साथ मिक्सचर हो रहा है तो नॉर्मली उस मिक्सचर को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? एलॉय. दिस मिक्सचर इज होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर इन नेचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टील इज एन एलॉय ऑफ आयरन, मैंगनीज and carbon, and brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. These portions are very important and you have to learn. An alloy is usually harder and stronger than the parent metal. मतलब जो मेटल एक दूसरे के साथ मिक्स होके ये एलॉय फॉर्म कर रहा है तो नॉर्मली एलॉय का जो प्रॉपर्टीज है दैट इज मोर हार्डर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द पेरेंट मेटल एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट रेजिस्ट कोरोशन. तो व्हाट इज कोरोशन? बेसिकली नॉर्मली मेटल का जो डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है दिस प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कोरोशन. तो एज बिकॉज एलॉय आर मोर हार्डर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर दैट्स वाई it can easily resist the corrosion. This is why this is why alloying is done. Some common alloy and their uses are mentioned in table 6.2. Look at here. It is a long chart. First, steel constituents. कौन सा चीज से ये बना है? Iron with very small amounts of carbon and manganese. Properties hard and strong and uses. तो स्टूडेंट ये जो चार्ट है तुम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा से याद करना है. और एक बात, सेकेंड टर्म एग्जाम में मतलब क्वेश्चन हम लोग लिखने भी दे सकते हैं तो यू विल बी मोस्ट केयरफुल अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्शन. सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप all of you understood what I will discuss today. So for today, up to this portion.